Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to talk to you about AWS Cloudfront, a service that can dramatically improve how your websites and applications perform for all users around the world. Think about the frustration when a website takes forever to load. In today's fast-paced world, users expect instant results, and if they don't get them, they will often leave. This is where AWS Cloudfront comes in, helping your content reach users faster, no matter where they are located. Now let's talk about what is CloudFront. CloudFront is Amazon's content delivery network or CDN. CloudFront solves slow loading problem by creating copies of your website content and storing them in data centers called edge locations all around the world. To understand this in a better way, let's have a scenario. Imagine you run a popular online store based in Nepal, Kathmandu. When someone in the US tries to access your website, their request has to travel all the way across the Atlantic Ocean to your servers and back again. That's a long journey, resulting in slow loading times. So to solve this problem, AWS comes into the place. What it does is, again, in the scenario, when that same person in Tokyo visits your website and you have CloudFront CDN set up, they connect to a nearby edge location, maybe in India, instead of connecting all the way to New York, resulting in very faster loading time. As in this map, we can see the edge location of North America. In total, there are 700 plus points of presence globally, which corresponds to the edge locations around the world. Now, let's talk about the key benefits of using AWS CloudFront. Firstly, it is about speed. AWS CloudFront provides a lot of speed to deliver your content. CloudFront dramatically reduces load time by serving content from edge locations, which are geographically closer to your user. Secondly, security. CloudFront includes built-in protection against common web attacks like DDoS attack, and AWS WAF helps to filter out malicious traffic. AWS Shield helps with DDoS protection. Cost savings. It lightens the load on your origin servers, reducing bandwidth usage, and has a pay for what you use pricing model, which drastically also lowers your cost for using the CDN. Now let's understand CloudFront in a very high level. We firstly have CloudFront edge location, and it is connected to one of the origin. It can be either AWS service origin, or we can have our own custom HTTP origin. Then we have client. It requests HTTP, it requests to the CloudFront edge location, and then it sees if there is a cake in there. If there is not the cake or the request the user has requested, then it reaches out to the origin and gets the request, and it serves to the client. And also what it does is it the data in the local cake. When next user requests the same request, it can serve it without going to the origin server. That is how CloudFront works in a very surface level. Now let's look into real world examples about how companies have used AWS CloudFront. There is Netflix, one of the world's largest streaming service. It delivers a smooth, high-quality video to millions of viewers simultaneously across the globe using CloudFront. Without a CDN like CloudFront, such consistent performance will be quite impossible. And there is another one, Khan Academy, which is a non-profit organization which provides free education content worldwide. It uses CloudFront to ensure students in remote areas can access educational videos without buffering and delays. Now let's have a conclusion. AWS CloudFront takes your content and makes it available from hundreds of locations worldwide, resulting in faster performance, better security, and oftentimes it lowers the cost. This was a basic introduction to AWS CloudFront. More in the next part. Thank you for your time today.